Hi everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. Today I have a huge project to review and we will check out its all the features and its benefit. It's about Byte Exchange, a very well-known exchange, and this exchange platform was launched on the market in July 2021. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily approach my next upcoming videos. So let's start the video about the ByteX exchange, its review. As I said, this exchange platform was launched on the market in July 2021. It is verifiable by both developers and users and the third parties. It's a multi-blockchain platform where token can be exchanged between different chain like ERC20, TRC20, BEP20 and etc. It's a decentralized, secure, professional and transparent cryptocurrency trading platform, and they are providing us a safe and stable trading services all over the world. They are trading by blockchain. ByteX is not a project, it's a reality since July 2021 and they currently move an approximately daily volume of $1.5 million. Here we have up in the top of this interface you can see their features like trade, balance, order, launchpad and team, help center, referrals, buy BX, explorer, white paper and settings. So we will check out all the features one by one. So stay tuned with me and watch the video till then the end of the video. And here we have some currencies. You can see here uh, their market value, their prices and their volume and their changes opportunity, that whether they are increasing or decreasing. Here you can see its BTC and its value in USDT, and you can check out it 4,747,890.8, and its high value is 48,644.6, and the low value is 46,707, and 24 hours volume is 19.91, and its changing percentage is about 1.14%, and it's going to plus. And next one is we have ETH in USDT, and here the value is going on 3781.3, and it's now about 3780, and its high value is 33,820 and the low value is 3,641, and its 24 hours volume 27.586, and it's also increasing. It's going in plus. It's 1.5 percentage. It's increasing value. And here we have the LTC. So you can check out all the currencies here. Here is the platform. So on this exchange you can check out the value of the currency, whether it's increasing or decreasing, its level and its market price. So you can check out all the details about the currencies. And in here we have the world's leading cryptocurrency decentralized trading platform, provides safe, stable and efficient asset trading services to 1 million global professional cryptocurrency investors. And here we have cross-chain asset security, lighting trading speed, perfect cross-chain mechanism, and is further you can easily read out all the details about their introduction and global arrangement, professional K-line indicator and high-speed matching engine. Further we have about ByteX. Here we have the introduction. You can check out this video. It's all about the ByteX exchange introduction. And further we have the global deployment, and here they introduce us. We are the only decentralized exchange that truly realize global deployment. Our 11 fitness nodes are distributed in 11 cities in 8 countries around the world, ensuring lighting fast network speed and providing stable and reliable trading services for hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrencies traders worldwide. Further, we have create your blockchain identity. It's very simple. Pick a unique account name and get started. And the next one is Byte Exchange. We have this their private sale form and buy with credit and debit. You can easily buy it with by the credit card or the debit card. And news help center. Here we have the help center, and the social media links are available here: Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. You can contact to them the team on any of them, Telegram or the Twitter or YouTube, and they contact them. If here we have the sportbytex.com. If you have any queries, any questions, you can contact to the team. Very sportive and very active team they have. They will answer your questions and contact to them. And here we have the Telegram and the Twitter and YouTube. There where you can easily get the links from here, and you can easily change the language from here. It's very simple to operate it. Now I will introduce you I want to give you the introduction about this blockchain. Now we check out their features, and here we have the trade. You can check out their trade here, and it's very simple. You can see here its USDT price, and you can log into their trade. And then next one is balance and order, and for this one you have to log in. You put your email account and enter your email address. Next one we have to check Launchpad and team. Here you can see IDO launch platform for ecosystem Cardano, Polygon, BSC, ERC20 and other blockchain. Boost your project, attract investors and write community, and discover the power of ByteX. Further we have their exchanges: Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Ethereum, Cardano. And what make us different? Here they say that why choose us. ByteX Exchange has found a solution to incentivize and reward all token holders, and with a low barrier to entry and carefully selected project. All projects launched through our platform will be subject to the diligent investigation as part of our quality assurance program. Fair distribution: we understand the opportunities must be delivered fairly and efficiently. We will make sure everyone has the opportunity to join based on their level. And further we have its liquidity. And why Cardano? Cardano is anticipated to become the new crypto standard setter. Investors recognize the network potential to challenge within the world of the cryptocurrencies. Cardano Token Spot become one of the early birds within the Cardano ecosystem. Cardano Token Spot become one of the early birds within the Cardano ecosystem. Liquidity: ByteX will allow cryptocurrency project the ability to distribute tokens and increase liquidity. And further we have tier packages. Bronze staking requirement 1000 BX based on lottery. Silver staking requirement 3000 BX based on lottery. Gold staking requirement 6000 BX guaranteed allocation. And yes, and the further we have the whitelist requirement: like, comment and retweet, and based on lottery. And whitelist requirement: like, comment and retweet. Next one is pool weight 1 and pool weight 3 and pool weight 6, and you can click here and learn more. Platinum staking requirement is 12,000 BX guaranteed allocation, yes. And Emerald staking requirement 25,000 BX guaranteed allocation, yes. Diamond staking requirement 6,000 BX guaranteed allocation, yes. And the whitelist requirement none, and pool weight 15. Whitelist next one, the whitelist requirement none and pool weight 33. And the finally whitelist requirement none and pool weight is 90. Here you can see the team. Here we have their team: Beatriz Fernandez, CEO and Executive Director; Luis Rivero, CEO, Marketing Team, CEO and CEO; and the Erasmo Castillo, Treasury and Marketing; and the Daniel Ordonez, Design Team Manager. They have the very active team, very sportive team. And here we have their LinkedIn addresses. And the next one, we have Walter Goa, Development Team Manager; and Alvaro Vera, expert in blockchain and startups; and Young, advisor and institutional communication. Here we have their ByteX private sale form and help center. Contact us at the sport, social media exchange, and Telegram, and Telegram channel, Telegram group, and Twitter. Links are available here, and I will put their links also in the description. Here the introduction about the team and tire and features and staking, and connect your here you can easily connect to your wallet. As I click here, the next one is here from the help center, and this is the referrals detail. Here you can send your email. And buy BX, that how to buy BX. Explorer, here we are the Explorer. You can check out this interface. And now we read out the white paper. About something, some main major things about ByteX exchange, I will told you after a while. First, we have to check out the white paper. It's loading here. Just wait. Here the interface open. You can see it's the white paper. ByteX, and it's about 19 pages. ByteX is a decentralized, secure and transparent cryptocurrency exchange platform. And here you can see it's about 19 pages. You can easily read out it on yourself and get detail. And I will show you rapidly. It's about 19 pages, and you can check out it on yourself. It's here we have the tokenomics, BX tokenomics, and the referral details and awards details and their social network. Here the links available here. Affiliate system, here you can check the rewards of transaction and public rewards sale. And tokenomics, here we have, you can easily check out it. Here you can see the main things: token distribution percentage and their prices and their tokens. That initially circulating supply 22.6%, and tokens are to 22.6. It's about 22,600. And public sale 10%, and the private sale 4.7%, and it's about then their token details. Marketing 3%. Now we are on the home page, and next one we have to check the settings. Here we click it, and you will log in or sign up here. And personal setting, you can change the language and the currency here, where you have the balance, latest price of coin, buying and selling price will be at estimate and shown in this currency, that you want to buy or sell any currency, and in which currency you want to show in, so you can easily select from here. Join the token pre-sale and by creating a wallet on your exchange platform. And if you want to buy BX in private sale, you will have to fill the form, and available in the website and link, and link will provide I will provide you in description. Once the form is accepted, the amount of token you want to buy or are going to assign to your public sale will be available on January 6th. And also don't miss token airdrop. Airdrop is about 60,000 BX tokens. You must join social network by completing the assigned task and can be one of the 50 lucky ones who will receive 1000 BX gift token, and 10,000 tokens will be distributed among the top of 10 who will be ranking in the number of the guests. Commission with BX pairs on their Bytes AX will have a 50% discount on their launch pad, and BX holder can put their BX token in staking at different levels from bronze to diamond, and to be able to participate in new projects, and can also receive rewards from staking in BX. Reward of first level is 4%, and then the second level is 2%, and when your referral by BX. As I say before, that Byte EX is not a project, it's a reality since July 2021, and they currently move an approximately daily volume of $1.5 million. It allows deposits and withdrawals to occur in seconds, allows the exchange of tokens between different blockchains, and allows the users to place, buy and sell orders similar to centralized exchange. The user need to create their wallet at byteexchange.com, back up the 12-word key and wallet name, then they can already deposit their funds and start buying and selling their favorite cryptocurrency on cross-chain. They will also have a marketplace platform for NFTs. So it's very safe and very stable trading service, and a very safe and stable platform, so you can easily put your investment in it, and you can easily get profit from here, and you can easily transfer your currencies with the other currencies, and after completing the task you can easily get rewards. So it's very amazing and very reliable opportunity, very reliable exchange. You can trust on them. Hope you like the video, hope you like the exchange, this project, and so till then my next video, take care.